On this episode of Under 2 Minutes, we are going to be discussing layers. Last time we had covered all the shapes you can build with Illustrator. Now we're going to show you combining the shapes and what you're going to be doing when your page is filled with shapes. So to get this layer menu open, you're just going to hit Window, go down to Layers, and make sure that it's checked. Now I'm going to kind of go through what you're looking at here. I have two layers built, and I have multiple shapes on both layers. So layer 2 is just this orange polygon. So if I click this little circle here, it's going to target that shape. So there we go, it's outlined in red. Now layer 1 is the long rectangle, the ellipse, and the gray rectangle. Now I can target each individually, and you see it's outlined in blue by clicking these little circles, but I can also just target the whole layer, which selects everything in that layer, and that's what's nice about the layering tool. I can hide the layer with just a click of a button. I can lock the layer so then only layer 2 is accessible. So if I go to highlight, it's only going to grab the unlocked layer. It's very nice for working with different shapes and different objects, and it makes it very simple. You can create a new layer by just clicking that button, and you can drag whatever you want into that layer. So now this has become its own layer, and anything on top, it's like a little stack. That is going to be the highest shape. So everything else that's under it is going to go underneath when it's stacked. So you can end up manipulating the layers and moving them around and changing positions. Very simple.